Happy Tuesday, folks. Sandy here. Just wanted to give you an update as to what's going on. If you've been following me for a while, you know that on Tuesdays, or every other Tuesday now, I post videos. I hopped on bright and early this morning to post a really pretty polymer clay tutorial that I had ready and couldn't log into my blog. Really annoying. And I don't want to post the video without the link to the blog that has the supply lists and the materials lists and all, because I know you all like that. So yeah, my web hosting company, they moved my blog, I'm sure a whole bunch of others, to new servers, and I think, as far as I could tell, my database got corrupted. My users file is missing, which means that my blog doesn't recognize me when I go to log in. So once that is fixed, it'll be a matter of 20 minutes to get everything posted. I don't know if that will be today. My hosting company's site is down, so obviously they're having trouble at the moment. That was probably far more technical information than you wanted. Suffice it to say, I will be getting today's video posted as soon as I can also put up the blog post. So it'll happen either today or tomorrow or sometime. So sorry about that. Just wanted to let you know what was happening. I didn't forget about you all. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.